Hey everyone, want to add text to an image in GIMP? In this video, I'll show you how to insert and customize text step by step. Yeah, whether you're creating thumbnails, posters, social media graphics, or simple photo edits, this guide will help you get started. First, open GIMP on your computer and load the image you want to edit. Click File, then Open, and select your image. Once your image appears on the canvas, you're ready to add text. Next, select the text tool from the toolbox. You can also press the keyboard shortcut for the text tool if you prefer, then click anywhere on your image where you want the text to appear. Now type your text into the text box. You can enter a title, caption, label, or any other text you want to include in your design. After entering the text, use the Tool Options panel to customize it. You can change the font size, text color, alignment, spacing, and other formatting settings until you're happy with the appearance. If you need to move the text, select the Move tool and drag the text layer to a new position. Using separate text layers makes it much easier to edit your design later. You can also create multiple text layers if your project needs more than one heading or caption. Arrange each layer as needed to keep your design clean and organized. When you're finished, click File, then Export As, and save your image in your preferred format, such as PNG or JPEG, so you'll have a finished image with your custom text ready to share or use. And that's how you add text in GIMP. With just a few simple steps, you can create professional-looking graphics and make your images more informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.